Hi KC Year 7 Science. Today I'm going to be doing a video demonstration for you today of practical 8.5 on page 293 of your workbook called Mass versus Weight. The aim of this practical is to investigate the relationship of mass versus weight, and today I'm going to be using all the equipment that we have in front of me. We have a 10 Newton spring balance, two lots of 500 gram slotted masses, a retort stand with a boss head and a clamp. Okay, let's get started. Before we start, I've set up the apparatus as follows. So we have the retort stand, the spring balancing off the retort stand's clamp, and what we will be doing is we'll be placing the slotted masses onto the spring balance, and you'll be measuring the weight in newtons. Okay guys, before we get started today, there's a couple of things you need to do before we start the experiment. You need to copy the results table from your workbook, which has the masses of 100 all the way through to 500 grams, the mass in kilograms. So you will have to convert the mass from grams to kilograms, and also you'll need to measure the weight in newtons. And on the Newton meter spring balance, the spring balance, we have it's starting from 0, 100, 200, 300, 400, all the way through to 1000 newtons. As I add weights to this, to the spring balance, you will need to measure that. I'll try and make it as easy as possible for you to do it, and we'll get started. Now we'll add 100 grams to the spring balance. See if you can get that measurement right there. Okay, so step 2, we need to add another 100 grams. Okay, take your measurement on the spring balance. The measurements shouldn't be difficult. They shouldn't be hard to see. Just pause things if you need to actually take time to measure those readings. Okay, so step 3 is 300 grams. Take that measurement. The next one is 400 grams. Okay, and the next one is 500 grams. Now that you've filled out your results section, and now you need to plot your graph, I'm going to end the experiment here, and I'll produce a second video that your teachers will send to you after you have done your parts of the evaluation. So what that means is you guys need to predict the weight of a 1 kilogram mass, and I will send a second video showing you an actual weight of the 1 kilogram mass, which your teachers will provide you after you've done your evaluation.